everyone, I'm Chiara from Dreamer Real Estate, and today I'm here to present to you this magnificent property in the center of this historical village called Cetona. This property is composed by the main villa, the tower, Armeria, 6 apartments, 1 hectare of park, the swimming pool, a private chapel and an helipad. For sale at the asking price of 12 million euros. I will show you this property with Andrea, the sales director and the broker in charge of this magnificent villa. Hi Andrea!
Hi Chiara!
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. How are you?
I'm very good and I'm very happy to be here with you to talk about this property. Let's start briefly about the location, where we are.
Yes, so basically we are in Cetona, which is a small medieval town here in Tuscany, 30 kilometers from Montepulciano. And really I think that Cetona, it's a town that must be seen once in a lifetime because it's a really beautiful jewel.
So I think we could start from the park. What do you think?
Of course. Let's move on to the park.
Perfect, let's go. Andrea, I heard that this property is called La Rocca.
Yes, and as you can see, this fortified tower was built in the 10th century. Then, in the 16th, 17th century, the other part of the villa has been made. And in the 9th century before Christ, this place was an Etruscan necropolis. As you can see, this garden is very well designed in a very particular way. And it's full of flowers, palm trees, olive groves. And of course, it can't be missed, this wonderful swimming pool, which is made in travertine stone that was taken from an old Roman bridge at the time.
Let's continue the tour.
Yes, of course.
So Andrea, we are in the Armeria and this is the original stone from the cave.
Yes. We are in the Armeria, which is actually 230 square meters divided on 2 levels. And it's a space that you can use for dinners or even parties. You know, it's just a wonderful place to live inside the property of La Rocca.
Fantastic. Let's continue the tour.
So here we are in the main villa. We are talking about 600 square meters, 8 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. At the moment we are in the living area and then we have a dining room, kitchen, plus a small service bathroom. On the 2nd and 3rd floors there's the night area, so we have bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, of course they're wonderful. And on the 4th floor we have a wonderful studio and the tower with a view of 360 degrees on all the countryside.
Fantastic. I can't wait to see it.
Yes,
so let's go upstairs. Andrea, which are the plus of this villa? And who do you think could be the perfect client for this property?
Cetona, it's a high-end place to live. You know, around here, many designers, fashion designer, entrepreneurs have their residency during the summertime. And about this property, I would say that it's definitely a house that guarantees full privacy, and it can be lived in many ways, as a private-owned villa, or either it could be lived as a boutique hotel, since it has loads of potential in that terms, loads of bedrooms, and also the apartments that we haven't seen.
It's not common to find a villa that has 17 bedrooms and 14 bathrooms. So this, as you said, is very interesting, like to create an hospitality business.
So you can really live and feel the Italian culture, the history, and I think that also people that love art and culture, it's the right place to be because you're very attached to the town, but at the same time, you're fully on your own and you have full privacy and you can have all the privacy and space that you want.
Thanks, Andrea, for being with me today.
Thank you very much, Chiara. I hope you enjoyed the tour.
It was amazing, really. Thank you.
Thanks.
And thank you for following us, and let's meet at the next property tour.